Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to the vlog channel.
Yeah, firstly, sorry it's been a while.
It's been a long time again.
Yeah, well, like, it's because we had Christmas, we had the flu. It's terrible because I had the flu.
Yeah.
And then Roxy had the flu and I recovered. And then just as Roxy recovered, I got the flu again.
We keep doing that. We keep passing on flus to everyone around the family.
So, yeah, hence we haven't posted in a few weeks, so sorry about that.
Yeah, but we're back with a bang. We're back with a bathroom transformation video, which you guys have been waiting for forever, pretty much.
Yeah.
So you guys may remember us demolishing our main bathroom in a house last year. That's literally how long this took.
I think it was in March.
Yes.
I actually think it was in March. So,
a
long time.
Yes, it's been a while. It's just been like because we've been on holidays and just getting ill, and we have been doing two bathrooms and a bedroom ourselves, haven't we?
Yeah, we were doing all that ourselves on top of, you know, all the work we've been doing anyway. So it's been a lot.
But anyways, let's run the clip of us demolishing the bathroom just so you guys get a bit of context. So this is the main bathroom. Empty house tour means messy house tour as well. This is it.
Oh,
Welcome to my crib. House tour.
it's like seeing it for the first time.
It's so bad. Like literally we've pulled off the plasterboards. You can see the insulation on this side. You can see underneath the floor.
Yeah, that's where the toilet was.
It's a state.
Yeah.
But this is our new bathtub that's going right here. So that's as far as we got in terms of filming. We documented the rest of the transformation with photos because we just felt like it was a little bit easier.
Yeah.
And we knew we were going to do this sort of like talk through video of everything that we basically did. So we're going to show you guys what we did.
The first photo we've got on screen, as you can see, there's not really much to look at. The bathroom is completely wrecked.
Oh my god.
It looks like we've got a brand new bathtub in there.
Yeah, there's literally nothing. Like the walls have been stripped.
Yeah.
The floor has been stripped. There's no, like, the pipes are exposed pretty much.
And the reason we actually had to take the plasterboard off the wall, and you can see the framing, is because we have to put so much pipe work in those walls for the shower unit. You'll see in later photos, but the bathtub is not going in the same position and the toilet is not going in the same position. So there was a lot of plumbing work to do.
Yes, there was. And also because we also wanted things like the pipe, the actual taps to come out of the wall rather than have the like unit on the outside of the wall, we had to make sure that there was enough space behind the wall to like accompany all of that.
For all that to fit behind the wall. And you can see there's a big grey pipe in the corner, and you have to make a box for that, and we didn't want that, so we had to figure out a way to get around that as well.
Yeah, so in the next photo, as you can see, we have a wooden shelf and the sink kind of just plopped on top just to see where we would want the sink, basically.
Yeah, literally that's a wooden frame with a piece of cardboard sat on top of it, because we're actually going to make our own, what do you call that?
Like a side unit, I guess.
Yeah, like a unit ourselves. We're making it ourselves. We're buying the marble worktop, but we're building the frame.
Yeah.
So we're just sort of deciding whereabouts we want the sink, and the bathtub is laying flat there.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can also see we got rid of that grey pipe in the corner and replaced it with something a bit smaller.
Yeah, and that's done wonders for that little corner as well.
So in the next photo, that's all the plumbing work going in for the shower and the bath unit. As you can see, Chris did a wonderful job.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, what do I explain here? What are you looking at? You're basically just looking at copper pipe work, really, aren't you?
Well, I mean, I wouldn't even know where to begin with that.
I mean, this was one part we just couldn't DIY ourselves.
Yeah, no, definitely not. If you want it done properly, you need to get a plumber for that kind of stuff.
Although, maybe I should take a welding course. I can weld.
Gosh.
I can weld steel. I've just never welded copper.
Well, if you're feeling adventurous, you can.
Wow.
I'm not taking part in that.
Okay.
Look at this guy, you should come to join me.
Oh.
So in the next photo, we then went to the next step and actually covered the walls back with plasterboards, and it's not quite finished there, but now it's somewhat looking like a room again, so that's good.
Yeah, I mean, once you've got plasterboard back on, suddenly it feels like a room, like you say, and it just feels cleaner, and you're like, oh, it's not a workspace anymore.
Exactly.
So it was getting there, but we still needed to get plaster in.
Yeah, so we did the plasterboards ourselves. We just got them from Wix?
Yeah, plasterboard, we do that all ourselves.
Yeah.
The plastering we didn't do. So in the next photo, the plasterboarding is finished, and we've just lined the bath up just to see roughly where it'll go, and the toilet. So as you can see, the toilet's not under the window anymore.
Yeah.
And the bathtub is swapped the other way around.
Yeah, it's really good to like position where you want things before you commit, because just in case there was something wrong, at least we can kind of visualize it. And also at this stage, we sort of realize, okay, we're going to have to think of something to build at the end of the bath. or leave it and kind of cut off the bath. But then we thought, well, what would that space be for?
Yeah.
So we decided then we're going to build a box to kind of continue the bath all the way to the wall.
Yeah, definitely have a play around with things, see where you want things in advance. I think that's the best thing you can do.
Yeah, definitely. So in the next photo, you can see me literally struggling so hard to grout. I think I'm grouting,
No,
am I?
you must be fitting the tiles. We wouldn't be grouting at that stage. No, there's no grout.
No, okay, so I'm just fitting all these little pegs, or taking the pegs off maybe. Yeah, this was a nightmare to do. I didn't really have much input in this part, but even in the input that I did have, it was such a struggle because all these tiles were so tiny, and it was Matt that wanted this.
You can see, you wanted it too. You can see there's I don't know, there's hundreds of tiles there. And I tiled it myself. And
with your dad?
Honestly, with my dad's help. And well, to be honest with you, he kept throwing paddies. He was not happy about that one bit.
No, he was very negative. He was like, why did you choose these? Why?
Yeah, he hated every step. So he ended up cutting the tiles and I fitted them.
Yeah. And also the ceiling and the walls are now plastered. So again, that's made a drastic difference.
Oh yeah, you've got that brown plaster on there. And at this stage, we were pretty sure we were going to paint the walls white.
Yeah.
Just for a nice clean, clean slate basically.
Yeah. So yeah, that's basically the tiles pretty much finished, and let me just tell you, that took a good couple of days, didn't it?
Oh yeah, it did. The next photo, that's literally just plaster on the other wall.
Yeah.
That's the back wall, so we'll skip again.
Okay, so here we have a little bit more going on. You can see there's now a floor.
There's a lot more. So we've done the marble floor.
Yep.
We've tiled that. There's no
Those
grout
marble
in it yet.
tiles are from Wix, not from Wix. Tops tiles.
Yeah. They are discontinued. So
that's annoying.
We got some of the
But
last
you can still
ones.
get the wall ones from Top Styles, can't you?
Yeah, you can still get the wall ones. But with the floor, there was a lot of rust in the tiles.
Yeah.
So we had to return so many.
Yeah, we had to do this test where we flooded the tiles with lots of water and then made sure to leave them overnight, and if any rust surfaced to the top of the tile, you can then obviously make sure to replace them rather than having to pull them off the floor if you've already fitted them.
So we literally left the tiles outside overnight and let it rain on them basically.
Yeah.
And the rusty ones went back.
Yes.
So there's loads more that's happened in this photo.
Yeah. We had a bit of a jump, but we fitted the shower screen, we fitted the shower unit, the window pieces, even the lights, the spotlights are in there.
Yeah, you can see those black spotlights going in the ceiling.
Yeah.
You can actually see the marble worktop now.
Yep.
On the left-hand side of the photo.
On a bit of a dummy frame.
Just on a dummy frame because I hadn't built it at that stage. Yeah, I mean, it's actually looking really good at that point, I would say. The walls and ceilings are painted white.
Yeah, we were very close at this stage.
And the next photo, I think it's the same from a different angle, don't you think?
I think so.
No, it's not. It's completely not the same. Look, I've just gone back.
Oh.
So the side to the bath has been added.
Yes. So where did we actually get that from? I can't remember.
Do you know, I just got that online. It was a wall unit. I just used it.
Yeah. No, I really like that because we wanted something that wasn't white or black. Obviously, there's a lot of white in this bathroom now, and we only wanted the blacks to kind of be like little accents here and there. Yeah. So we thought, well, grey goes because it's all like monochrome, and
we usually make the mistake of having too much grey, but in this case, there wasn't any grey in the bathroom yet.
No, there wasn't. So yeah, I mean, our last bathroom that we did, if we can find a photo in our old house, it was literally just like 50 shades of grey.
Don't want to go there.
We definitely learnt our mistake.
Yeah, and
from our mistake.
There's a grey shelf just behind the bath there as well, which is a grey tile.
Yep.
Which all sort of tied in nicely. Okay, and the next photo, I don't know why my dad's in it.
He's holding the panel.
Yeah, I actually made that unit by myself completely, so I think he's like kind of wrongfully taking credit here.
I did this.
He was probably just helping me for a split second, that was all. In that's just part of the black frame that I was beginning to make. There's not a lot to see there, so we'll skip to the next one.
Actually, that is the last photo we took since finishing the bathroom. Yeah. So we'll have to show you what that looks like in just a second.
Yeah, I mean, since that point, I mean, we've done quite a lot.
We have.
We have done quite a lot. The main thing, obviously, we made that unit, the black unit, so I'm excited to show you guys
You did that pretty much all by yourself, and honestly, I'm so blown away of how it looks. It looks like it's been custom made by like a company that does this for a living, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I am quite happy with it, to be honest.
So I guess all there's left now to do is to show you guys the before.
Yeah.
And show you guys the after.
Okay.
So this is the before. And this is the finished bathroom, you guys. I'm so freaking happy with how this looks. Honestly, it's such a big improvement from what it used to be. And the main, obviously, change is the mirrors and the plant wall since you guys last saw it.
Yeah. The mirrors look great. I mean, I love the size of it. It's so nice.
It's so nice, and it makes the room look a lot bigger as well, because this room isn't really that big.
Yeah, and with the plant wall, that's literally an addition we fitted today.
Yeah.
So it's just a leftover from the piece from our bedroom.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, it's not finished yet because it's a little bit chunky and it looks a little bit odd. So we're going to trim the bottom.
Yeah.
And
then fix it around the tap as well, because it's kind of like swallowing the tap.
Can you see? Yeah, you could just, well, it's a little bit dark, but yeah, we're going to tidy that up, and I think that'll be looking pretty good once we've done that.
Yes.
But that's the only thing.
And I think you have to talk about the side, because you made this.
Yeah, so as we talked about a little bit earlier, we literally built this from scratch. So we ordered the marble piece.
Yep.
And this worked out so much cheaper because we paid for the marble. And literally I got the wood from Homebase. And basically you can see what we did was I made a frame. It's a slatted frame.
Yeah, you can kind of see it there now,
yeah. I put it all together and we painted it black. We actually spray painted it.
Yep.
And do you know what? I think it just looks really good.
It looks like it's store-bought. Like everyone that comes in here,
they're like custom made.
Exactly. Everyone that comes in here, they're like, whoa.
And you know, these legs, I just bought these legs from Homebase. That's all.
Yeah.
There's some, you know, you can tell it's a little bit homemade because there's a few little bits and.
But it's got like the wood grain as well, which is nice. We just have to seal it still.
It's got the wood grain, but the towels are just for show. Because every time we take them in or out, we get this like fluff.
Yeah.
You can't see it, we get this fluff attaching to the roof.
I think that will be solved once we seal it though.
Yeah, probably. One of those things to get round to.
So this is the shower/bath. We like having kind of like a mix. We don't just like having a shower or just a bath because it's a little bit more versatile when you've got both. Yeah. So we've got this glass sort of like shower screen. Yeah, it's smoked, and you can actually like move it and stuff, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it's really like well secured, so it's not gonna like fall off or anything. Then we've got a massive rainfall shower head up there. I've got to say, personally, I don't really use that very often, but you do, don't you?
Yeah, I like it. It's a bit of fun.
I don't know, for me, I just don't like getting my hair wet in the shower. Like, I do it separately, so I just don't use it. But I do use that, obviously. We've just gone for like a matte black everything. I really like that aesthetic, so we've just gone for that.
Well, I think it looks really great against the tiles. Oh, it was so difficult. We started at the bottom of the bath, we worked our way up. And we just had to hope that when they got to the top above the window that they met.
And luckily they did.
Oh my God, this took days and days. And you know, we could have spent easily £1,000 on a tiler to do this. But no way, I will learn everything myself and I will give everything a go myself.
Even plastering.
I will give plastering a go someday. And we finished it off with this really nice sort of black profile trim.
Yeah.
And we've put that here. And I just think that looks so good, doesn't it? Like,
yeah, it just finishes
got the white
off.
wall, the white tiles, and you've just got, this is the end of the bath area.
Yeah, it's really nice and like clean, isn't it?
Yeah, we've gone for that almost monochrome theme because you've got the lights. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah.
They are in a black like socket, which are inset into the ceiling, which I think looks quite cool.
Yeah, that does look really cool. And these are Philips Hue as well, so they connect with like the rest of our house.
Do you want to see bath time?
So Matt literally has a theme on his phone on the Philips Hue app that says bath time, and he engages it.
No joke, bath time. All right, I get in the bath, I click bath time. Guess what happens?
Oh yeah, look how cool that is.
LED under
and
the
this.
bath. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my freaking gosh.
So there's obviously an LED under here. That goes bright pink. The ones above the door, the ones above the bath go blue.
Yeah.
And
it just looks so freaking cool and like so relaxing.
Yeah, that's bath time.
Also, I know we're gonna get some comments saying that the window isn't smoked or like, what's the other word for it? Not smoked. Frosted, and that people can like see out and see me having a shower, but you literally can't because there's literally just a house and there's no windows, and I've also put this plant in the way, so it's not like anyone can spy on me whilst I'm having a shower. In the whole bathroom, as you can tell, we've gone for like a very botanical sort of theme because I feel like bathrooms don't have to just be this cold room. It can really be made into like another homely, you know, vibe.
Yeah,
so,
definitely. Yeah. I really like this one. This one's really nice.
Yeah, that one's from IKEA. A lot of them are actually from IKEA, but obviously they're all fake because I'd probably kill them. And I don't know how good that is for plants to like real plants be in bathrooms because of like the humidity.
It's probably fine. It's probably fine. But anyway,
I'd probably kill them.
Also you can't see it, but the grout in the tiles has gone a bit yellow.
Yeah.
And I think that's because it's reacted with the tiles in some way.
Yeah,
so we're gonna have to re-grout that.
Yeah, the tiles are real marbles, so there's like something, like some kind of element inside it that goes rusty.
Yeah.
So it like pulls the rust out of the marble, and so yeah that's why it's gone a bit.
These were really easy to fit though, weren't they?
Yeah, they were.
Compared to those. I mean, this was all done in like a day, basically.
Yeah. And we did it all ourselves, which is another amazing thing. Like, this whole bathroom didn't really cost us that much because we did all the labour pretty much ourselves.
Yeah. Well, put it this way, it would have been about double the cost if we paid someone else to do this for
Exactly.
us. We did get my stepbrother in to do some plumbing for us, so he was great. And he did obviously the photos that you saw. But that's pretty much it.
Oh, we should probably mention where we got like the toilet, the sink from and all that, because I'm sure people want to know.
Like, I mean, we got it from various places. I think soak.com was one of them.
If we can link it, we will.
Soak.com, they sell things quite cheap.
Yeah.
You know, plumbers don't really like it. They say it's not the best quality, but
it's fine.
I think it's lasted quite well. Everything seems to be lasting quite well. The only thing that doesn't last quite as well is these things from soak.com.
Oh yeah.
These get a little bit wobbly, you know, the towel rail, that sort of stuff.
So we've kind of gone for like everything matte black. So we've gone for like the toilet brush matte black, that's matte black, and also this is really nice. But as you can see, it's just not very stable.
Yeah, that's come loose, and it's just one of those things, really.
We've just probably got to screw it in better, don't we?
Yeah. You're probably wondering where all the storage is. Do you want to show that?
Yes, let's do that. The storage is behind the door, so you don't really have to look at like a load of ugly products. I'm not saying these products are ugly, but like when there's so many different colours, it's just not very aesthetically pleasing. So we just hid it behind the wall. We got, I think, 3 of these shelves from Danelle. I just put it on the wall and it holds all my products, all of my creams, my bath bombs. And then we have this really nice long radiator as well, which is just really cool because you can just like hang your towel over or bathrobe. Yeah. And that's it.
That's basically it.
So I guess that's everything for this bathroom. As you can see, it's just had the biggest glow up ever, hasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at what it was before and what it is now, like, there's no doubt it's a huge improvement, I think.
And it's so much more spacious now just by like juggling the different things around a little bit.
The trouble is, in the old bathroom there was a bathtub and a shower separate. That took up way too much space. And just the way they planned it all was a bad plan.
It was.
We've moved everything around, and honestly there's more space. You want to be in here more, like have longer baths, and you're actually more relaxed.
Exactly,
I don't know,
and you enjoy it more. You enjoy the space. I know it's silly to like say that, like enjoying your bathroom, but you know you do want to. And Sky has made an appearance.
What do you think of this guy? What do you think of the bathroom transformation?
She literally sits and watches you have a bath sometimes, doesn't she?
I know, yeah, she sits on the bath.
She enjoys it too.
What would you say out of 10, sweetheart?
That was definitely an 11.
Yeah, definitely. Alright guys, well that is the end of the bathroom transformation. We're sorry it was mostly photos.
Yes, we really didn't end up filming that much in this one for some reason. I guess we were just so engulfed in the other bathroom, the ensuite.
Yeah, well that's what happens when you do 2 projects at the same time. You end up focusing your energy on one.
Yeah.
What is happening?
She likes, oh no, she's going to start eating that. Sweetheart! Baby, you can't eat the plants. It's a good thing they're not real because she would just chew on them.
Yeah.
So that is all for this bathroom transformation. Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog and we'll see you guys next time.
Alright, see you guys. Bye.